Hey all, welcome to yet another series in online learning. Here is a simple but effective way to incorporate gamification into your classroom. I will share how I have done it with Quizizz. Launch your web browser, type Quizizz, Quizizz. I repeat Quizizz. Click on Join a Game. Sign up for a free account in teacher mode using your login credentials. Now click on Teacher Dashboard. This is the home page. Click on Create a new quiz to create a new one. Name the quiz. I'm going to name it as Basic 2. Choose the subject. Next button. See, these are the type of questions available. Multiple choice, checkbox, fill in the blank, poll, open enter. Now I'm going to add a multiple choice question. This is a question panel. You can add your questions here. My first question is, the brain of the computer is options. Option 1, CPU. Option 2, ALU. Option 3, control unit. Option 4, all of the above. Mark the correct option. See, on the right side, you can see a small panel. This is how the question appears to the students. The time allotted to solve this question is 30 seconds. By default, for every question, it is 30 seconds. You can change it according to your convenience. Almost done with the first question. Click on the Save button. See this, my first question is added to the quiz. Similarly, you can add more questions. Click on Done button. Now regarding the visibility of the quiz, two visibility modes are there, public and private. You can choose whichever mode you want to. It's done. Save, click on Save button. Now click on Play Live to make it live. See, you have three options. Team option, classic and test. Here I am opting the test one. Click on Continue button. See, this is the game code for my game. I have to share this game code with my students. Then only they can join online with my quiz. Right now, these are the students enrolled for the quizzes. And it is time to start the quiz. So click on the Start button. The countdown starts now. Okay, now the quiz has reached the final form. See, totally there were 28 participants for this quiz. And in this tab, you can see their responses for each question also. See, you can enable the show time taken to see the time taken by each student for a particular question. In this case, the fourth guy, he took 6 seconds to solve the question 10, and you can email these responses to their parents. Now moving on to the questions panel. See, for the first question, there were 29 responses, and out of that, there were 25 correct responses and 4 incorrect responses. The backend side of the quizzes is very transparent, and it is really interesting too. Now I think I have explained some of the basics in Quizizz. Also, you can view and download the reports from homepage. Explore more in Quizizz and make your students feel that they enjoy the class time more than ever before. Thank you.